Hi, this is Archie, and today I'm going to be making you a delicious bee's knees. Yes, a 117 West bee's knees. That's a classic cocktail that was enjoyed way back in Prohibition times. Okay, this is one that they used to enjoy out in the summertime while you're making have a nice picnic outside. It was something that they could easily put together during Prohibition times. What you're going to need for this cocktail is you're going to need some gin. Of course, we always prefer our delicious 117 West gin. You're going to need some honey syrup, and you're going to need some fresh lemon juice, okay? So how we start this cocktail is we're going to go ahead and start with 2 ounces of gin. We like, again, 117 West gin in this one. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Again, you want to go ahead and freshly squeeze that one and strain it before using it. And then you're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of honey syrup. Very easy to make at home. 2 parts honey and 1 part water, diluted and chilled. Shaken. Strain that one over a big cube. It looks nice when you present it over a big cube. Oh, that looks delicious. Go ahead and we're going to garnish that with a lemon wedge. Just in case you want a little bit more lemon in there, you can go ahead and squeeze that in. And there you have a delicious 117 West bee's knees. Wonderfully refreshing cocktail on a hot summer day. Have a great day, and thanks for watching this video. Today's cocktail I'm going to be showing you how to make is a drink called I forgot the name of this. What am I making? What am I making? Hold on. I forgot what I'm making.